Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Subramanian. Now momos are one particular dish that we all enjoy and sometimes we think it's difficult to make them at home. Today I'm going to share a lovely walnut chicken momo recipe with you guys and I'm going to serve it with some nice momo chutney by the side. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the walnut chicken momos, first I'm going to mix the dough. For this I've taken 1 cup of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. Add half teaspoon of salt. Just give it a quick mix. To this add about 2 teaspoons of oil. So just mix that in. So gradually add water and start mixing the dough. Just knead the dough for about 5 minutes. So I've kneaded the dough. Close the bowl and let the dough sit for about 30 minutes. To a pan, add about 1/4 cup of walnuts, which is going to lightly roast them. Roast the walnuts for about 2 minutes.
Walnuts are a powerhouse of important nutrients for optimum health, including protein, fiber, a good source of magnesium, and an excellent source of the essential plant-based omega-3.
So you can see the walnuts have roasted nicely for about 2 minutes. I'm going to take it off the pan and we're going to chop these nuts once they've cooled down. So to a bowl, add the chopped walnuts. So I've taken about 2 green chilies that have been finely chopped. Take 3 garlic cloves that have been finely chopped. A piece of ginger that's been finely chopped. Next, I'm adding half cup of spring onion whites and about 1/4 cup of spring onion greens. So just mix all this together. For the momo filling, I've taken about 300 grams of chicken mince. So this is boneless chicken. I'm going to season it with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon pepper, about 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. So you can also use the dark soy sauce. If you're using the dark soy sauce, you can use about 1 teaspoon. Now add the walnut onion mixture. So just mix everything. So we've mixed everything together now. So now we'll start rolling out the dough to make the momos. So the dough has been sitting for about 30 minutes now. So I'm going to divide it into equal sized dough balls. So just pinch off a little bit of the dough. So this is a good size for the momos. Dust the rolling surface with some flour. Place the dough ball. So we'll just start rolling it out. Place a spoonful of the walnut chicken filling in the middle of the rolled out dough.
Walnuts are extremely versatile and make a great addition to your favorite recipes and a healthy snack to grab on the go. Including a handful of walnuts in your daily diet is a positive step towards making every day healthy.
Now start pleating the edges of the dough from all sides. And bring them to the center to seal the momo. Prepare all the momos in the same way and keep them aside. Now I've lined the bamboo steamer with a few cabbage leaves. You can also use a banana leaf. Place the prepared momos. So now we are going to steam cook the momos. Steam cook the momos for about 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. So the momos are cooked beautifully. Turn off the stove. Remove the momos from the steamer and serve it immediately. Wow, those walnut chicken momos look so delicious. Make sure you serve them nice and hot right out of the steamer, and you can enjoy it with some nice momos chutney by the side. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.